Hello and welcome. If you're currently enrolled in Medicaid, you may qualify for a free smartphone and monthly service. And I'm here to explain exactly how to get one. The program is called the Lifeline Assistance Program, and it's backed by the federal government. It's designed to make phone and internet access more affordable for low-income households. Here's how it works. If you're receiving Medicaid, you're already eligible. You can apply through approved Lifeline service providers like SafeLink Wireless, Q-Link Wireless, Assurance Wireless, and others. These providers offer 1. A free smartphone, 2. Unlimited or limited monthly data, texts, and minutes, 3. No contract and no monthly bills. To apply, just visit the provider's website, enter your zip code, and fill out a quick application. You'll need to upload proof of your Medicaid participation, like your Medicaid ID card or a benefits letter. Once approved, your phone is shipped to you for free. It's that simple. So, if you or someone you know is on Medicaid, don't miss out on this essential benefit. Stay connected for free.